beautiful. Oh, you hear that sound? The lovely sound of the Gooly. My name's Luther Case, and I'm trapped inside the Gilly. You need to help me get out. Maybe you can hear me a little bit through all these beautiful noises that my friends are making. Once I asked a friend, you know how the words turn into green monsters of confusion in the air. She said, no words are words. You say on the plow. If I'm always seeing pretty people walk into town, I hope I could. But town is right and town ain't far. I see them red lights as I look into the stars. So I see them red lights as I look into the stars. stalking woods and sit upon solid earth. Turn your heels into palms. Hide and worth in a mountain made of rocks and dirt. In places where your skin can't reach. What's the cost of speech? Finding faces falling out of reach. Oh, it's just a burden. Oh, it's only birds. Oh, it's just a burden. Someday you'll come down again. Oh, it's just a burden. Oh, it's only burden. Oh, it's just a burden. Oh, it's just a burden. Oh, it's only burden. Just light leaking through the sun. This is a new song, in that it's like 2 years old, but I finally finished writing. So, I don't know, it's been hanging out for a long time. It's very exciting to me to go here. Be nice to it. You've been sinking stones are cold and very she's singing, skin is full. Sound of earth rending, leaves push through. Trees and cliffside roots. Sound of vines growing, bees in the dirt. Cracks warm in the air. Where did I go wrong? Breathing through your lungs. How did I not realize? Seeing through, I was seeing through your eyes. Bolts of fabric, bolts of lace, bolts of lightning flash across your face. Shot out velvet, over through, back to my rightful place. Shot of hand, shot of mine, leading through your eyes. Where did I go wrong? Breathing through, I was breathing through your lungs. How did I not realize? Seeing through, I was seeing through your eyes. Time is here and time is still now, and time is fleeting as the ancients down. Founded on bedrock, lifts you up, lounging for too long. Sounds of wedlock, bells in the air, child sweet summer. Where did I go? Breathing through, I was breathing through your lungs. How did I not realize? Seeing through, I was seeing through your eyes. Guys, it's the darkest night of the year, and you all came to see such a bright and fun band. Or maybe just one song from a really great band. Anyway, it's a dark and it's a... it's a dark and it's a...
True.
Yeah, okay. Let's play this song.